Critical alarms are those which affects the operation of network immediately. For example, main power supply failure, battery bank fail, or there is a fire in the network. During such cases, problem will be solved immediately without waiting for any approval. Whereas major alarms are important but can be solved in some time. Example for major alarms are rise in temperature or one of the rectifiers failed. Minor alarm leads to an impression where the problem has to be solved but with certain time limit. These alarms are quite generic in nature, like door is not closed or grounding cable is disconnected, etc. This table here depicts the existing market share in India. Here we have shown some of the major players involved in infra in telecom. The others include some telecom tower companies like Tower Vision, Aster Infrastructure, KEC International and India Telecom Infra, etc. At present, India has around 3,30,000 towers and it is estimated that another 1,30,000 towers will be required during the next 3 years. Infrastructure sharing is one of the tools that operators can execute to increase utilization of their spectrum assets. This also provides better coverage and throughput to their customers. Infrastructure sharing reduces CapEx and OpEx, that is capital expenditure and operational expenditure. As a result, operators are more focused on sharing resources. Cost saving has been the main driver to infrastructure sharing to date. There is a wide range of network sharing options ranging from cell site, that is passive sharing, to backhaul link sharing, or more extensive to RAN equipment and frequency sharing, that is active sharing. While active sharing provides the biggest benefit in terms of cost reduction, improved coverage, and spectrum efficiency, it is also the most difficult to establish and implement as it is required a deeper integration between operators. Regulatory limitations, competitive environments, spectrum availability, and pressure on network capacity can limit the feasibility of active sharing agreements. However, there are other driving towards infrastructure sharing that have started to play an increasingly large role, like spectrum allocations. Energy management is basically the optimum utilization of energy resources. Energy management is becoming increasingly important due to the rising cost of fuel. Telecom energy resources include the diesel generator set, the battery bank, etc. Efficient utilization of energy can be achieved if all the resources are maintained in proper condition so that they operate with maximum efficiency. This requires proper monitoring and maintenance of energy resources. For example, periodic maintenance of diesel generator set, battery fluids, etc.